Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to discuss a new international, next-generation lending and borrowing model designed around a borderless, community-driven, and decentralized smart contract ecosystem. Yes, friends, we are talking about the Beex platform. For more information, you can visit their website, beexdefi.io, where you'll find real DeFi technology. Circle and the USDC currency play a major role in this project. Beex will use the USDC stablecoin in its ecosystem. The next slide provides information about Circle Internet Financial, a global fintech company founded in 2013. This company works in the field of blockchain and digital finance and is known for launching the stablecoin USDC or USD coin. Today, USD coin is being used worldwide in crypto exchanges, cross-border payments, decentralized finance, digital wallets, and more. It is used in lending and borrowing platforms. The platform's presentation states that investments and transactions within the Beex ecosystem are conducted using USDC or USD coin. It's crucial to understand this stablecoin. The price of many digital assets in the crypto market can fluctuate rapidly, but stablecoins are designed to provide a relatively stable value mechanism. USDC is a dollar-linked stablecoin whose rate always remains pegged to the US dollar. This is why Beex chose USDC as the transaction medium within its ecosystem. USDC coin is available on over 100 crypto exchanges and is used across various crypto platforms, exchanges, and blockchain-based applications. USDC is used by individuals, institutions, and developers worldwide. From retail users to institutional ecosystems and blockchain developers, USDC remains a recognized asset. Friends, let's first understand what Beex is. Beex is a community-based ecosystem built on a decentralized infrastructure. Built on, it aims to create a digital finance system that is completely transparent, secure, and borderless. This means that anyone in the world, from any country, can become a part of this system and conduct secure digital transactions through smart contract technology. Now let's understand how Beex's entire borrowing and lending model works. There are primarily two types of people, the lender and the borrower. First, the lender deposits USDC into the Beex liquidity pool, making its liquidity available to the system. The system manages that liquidity, and the lender earns a 1% daily profit. This profit is available for a maximum of 100 days. After 100 days, the lender can either withdraw its principal or relend and start the next cycle. Now let's understand who a borrower is. Borrowers are those who borrow funds from Beex's liquidity pool. In exchange for receiving the loan amount, the borrower first provides 210% collateral, i.e., their own crypto asset, such as BTC. Pledges BNB or Ethereum and their interest in a Beex smart contract, i.e., locks it. Borrower requests a liquidity loan. Upon approval, USDC is released to the borrower from the Beex liquidity pool. The borrower will repay the loan on time. Upon repayment of the loan, the pledged crypto fund collateral is released. Now let's understand Beex's on-chain affiliate project. In addition to lending on Beex, you also receive various rewards and bonuses upon building your team. First, you'll receive the Beex lending level reward, up to 20 levels. To earn the first level, your self-lending package must be $25 and you must have a minimum of one direct referral. You'll earn a one-time 5% on each direct referral's lender deposit amount, plus a daily 5% daily lender profit bonus on that amount. To earn the second level, your self-lending package must be $50 and you must have two direct referrals. At the second level, lenders will earn a one-time 2% on each lender deposit amount, plus a daily 2% daily lender profit bonus on their package. Similarly, you can pause the video slides to check the details for the next 20 levels. Next income. Beex lending rank rewards are available with a total of 8 ranks. These rewards are awarded for every 7-day circle. Keep in mind that your in-all team IDs must be worth $50. For B1 rank, your total team IDs must be 25. Your main power leg must have 15 IDs and the remaining rest leg must have 10 IDs. This will result in a weekly circle bonus of $12. Similarly, at B2 rank, you will receive a weekly circle bonus of $25. At the highest rank, B8, you will receive a weekly circle bonus of $2,500. Achieving this final B8 rank entitles you to a lifetime admin pool bonus. Next is the lender performance bonus. This is based on your team's daily business. To achieve this, you must submit new business daily. Your self-lending package must be a minimum of $50 and the total team business must be in the ratio of 60:40. If daily lender business reaches $2,000, you will receive a $20 bonus. You'll earn a $300 bonus for a $3,000 business, and in this way, you can earn a maximum daily bonus of $1,000. Next, borrower level commission income is provided. This commission is for those who build the borrower network. When borrowers join your team and borrow, you earn this commission based on their transactions up to 10 levels. Note that the system charges a total of 10% from each borrower. Only 5% of this 10% is distributed as commission across 10 levels. 1.5% from the first level. 0.75% from the second level. 0.50% from levels 3 to 5. 0.25% from level 6 to level 10. You can earn next borrower performance bonus income. This is based on the daily new borrowing business on your team, meaning people borrow. Team business is also included here. The ratio should be 60:40. Your self-borrowing should be a minimum of $50. If your daily borrowing business is worth $1,000, you will receive a $20 bonus, a $40 bonus for a $2,000 business, and so on. The highest you can earn is a $1,000 daily borrowing bonus. Next, you can earn a lifetime admin pull bonus by achieving AB8 rank. This is calculated as a percentage of the company's total lending business and will be given to all B8 rank achievers. The system will deduct 6% as a fee charge on all lending business, from which 5% will be kept for itself and the remaining 1% will be given as this admin pull bonus. Next, the BEAX rank additional bonus is a great reward opportunity for those who do not limit themselves to their income, but build a strong and active team. As your team borrowing increases and your rank rises from B1 to B8, you have the opportunity to receive an additional bonus ranging from $1,000 to $8,000. Upon completion of eligible team borrowing, an additional bonus of 10% can be claimed. You can check the full terms and conditions of the BEAX system by stopping by this page. You can connect with BEAX through various social media platforms. So, this was the complete business model of the BEAX concept, where you can fulfill your dreams by collaborating with major giants like Real DFE Technology and Circle. So, without delay, contact your BEAX partner today. We hope you enjoyed this video, so thank you very much for watching.